Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to crochet sunflower tea coaster. So for this project I am using 4-ply milk cotton yarn and the color I am using coffee and yellow, and the hook I am using 4 mm crochet hook, and we need scissor to cut the extra yarn. So hope you will like it. So let's get started. At first make a slip knot, then make chain 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Now slip stitch in the first chain to form a ring. Now work for round 1. First make 3 chain, 1 2 and 3. These 3 chain count as 1 double crochet. Now make 15 double crochet in the center of the circle. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So continue up to end. It will turn total 16 double crochet including this chain. So here I have completed the first round. Now slip stitch in the top of chain. Now work for round 2. Make 3 chain, 1 2 and 3. These 3 chain count as 1 double crochet. Now make 1 double crochet in same stitch. So here I have got 2 double crochet. Now make 2 double crochet in next stitch, 1 and 2. Make 2 double crochet in next stitch, 1 and 2. Make 2 double crochet in next stitch, 1 and 2. So make 2 double crochet in each stitches up to end. It will turn total 32 double crochet including this chain. So here I have completed the second round. Now slip stitch in the top of chain, give a knot and cut the extra yarn. Now take the yellow yarn, give a slip knot. Insert the yarn in any stitch. Now work for round 3. First make 3 chain, 1 2 and 3. These 3 chain count as 1 double crochet. Now make 1 double crochet in same stitch. Now make 5 chain, 1 2 3 4 5. Now make 2 double crochet in next stitch. One and 2. Skip 2 stitch and make 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. Make 5 chain, 1 2 3 4 5. Now make 2 double crochet in next stitch. skip 2 stitch, make 2 double crochet and 2. Now make 5 chain, then again make 2 double crochet in next stitch, 1 and 2. So the pattern is skip 2 stitch and make 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, make 5 chain, 1 2 3 4 and 5, make 2 double crochet in next stitch, 1 and 2. So continue all arounds up to end. So here I have completed round 3. Now in the last slip stitch in this top of chain. Now work for last round. Make chain 1 and then make single crochet in this double crochet gap. Then make the petals. Make 5 double crochet in this chain space. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now make 3 chain, 1 2 and 3. Then make the picot, so slip stitch in this front loop. Now again make 5 double crochet in same chain space, 1 2 3 4 and 5. So this is the first petal. Now make single crochet in this double crochet gap. Then make the second petal. Make 5 double crochet in this chain gap. 1 2 3 4 5. Now make 3 chain, 1 2 and 3. Now make the picot, so make slip stitch in these 2 front loop. Now make 5 double crochet in same chain space, 1 2 3 and 4 and last one 5. Make single crochet in this double crochet gap. So let's see the pattern again. First make 5 double crochet in the chain gap, 1 2 3 4 5. Now make 3 chain, then make slip stitch in this front loop to make the picot. Now again make 5 double crochet in same chain space, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now make single crochet in this double crochet gap. So continue all arounds up to end. So in the last slip stitch, in this very first single crochet, now give a knot and cut the extra yarn. Now secure this yarn with a needle, or you can use crochet hook also. Now cut the extra yarn. Insert this extra yarn with a crochet hook. Now cut all the pieces. So here is the sunflower tea coaster. Hope you will like it. Thanks for watching.